Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
SVR.
for northeastern Ocean County, southeastern Monmouth County
Yeah.
until 3:45 p.m.
SVR.
At 3:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Teton Falls, or 8 miles northwest
I'm
of
about to
Asbury
make a live stream
moving
later.
south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with
Hold
gusts
on.
and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Howell, Marlboro, Teton Falls, Red Bank, Manasquan, Point Pleasant Beach, Farmingdale, Maniloking, Leisure Village, Allenwood, East Freehold, Leisure Village East, Ramtown, Brick Township, Collingwood Park,
Brick
Lincroft,
Township.
and Point Pleasant. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 of New Jersey between mile markers 28 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 87 and 111. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.